Welcome to the Honda Lawnmower Grass Bag installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to properly assemble and install the grass bag on your Honda lawnmower. For any additional information regarding the assembly or installation of your lawnmower grass bag, refer to the owner's manual or visit your Honda Power Equipment dealer. First, let's start by removing the grass bag from the packaging. The HRR model's bag frame comes pre-assembled, but the HRX bag frame requires some minor assembly. To do so, pull the frame support legs outward and then insert the ends of the legs into the round eyelets as shown. Turn the grass bag right side out, making sure that the Honda logo is visible from the outside. Now place the grass bag frame on its end. Slide the grass bag over the frame so that the top of the Honda logo faces the grass bag handle, and verify that the clips align with the corresponding areas on the bag frame. Be sure to leave the grass bag handle exposed. Once the grass bag is situated, start snapping the plastic clips to the bag frame as shown until all the clips have been secured. On both the HRX and HRR models, it may appear that there is an extra flap of grass bag material inside the bag. This is by design for operator safety and increased durability. Don't attempt to remove or alter the flap. The assembled grass bag is now ready to install onto the lawnmower. There are two ways to install the grass bag onto your mower. Use whichever method is most comfortable to you. One method to install the grass bag onto the mower is to first place the grass bag on the ground behind the discharge chute with the opening in the bag facing forward. Reach down between the handlebars and lift the discharge chute with one hand. Use your other hand to lift the bag and set the bag hooks into the channels on the lawnmower. The second method is to lift the discharge guard with one hand and then lower the grass bag down between the handlebar pipes and set the bag hooks into the channels. When reinstalling a grass bag after emptying it, always make sure that the mower's bag channels are not filled with grass clippings. A channel that's filled with grass clippings may cause the grass bag to fall off the lawnmower while mowing. For any additional information regarding the installation of the grass bag to your Honda lawnmower, refer to the appropriate owner's manual or visit your local Honda Power Equipment dealer.